Hello viewer. You may remember seeing me attach this disc onto the end of my strimmer to make it more vicious. Hopefully this will work. I don't have any faith in the fuel though. It probably won't even start, but let's give it a try. Typical of my dumb luck, the battery in my remote microphone died, so the guy on the screen isn't being recorded. Speaking of not working, look out for the latch on that visor. There we go. Anyway, the strimmer which had the disc on worked a little bit over there, but it died, and so this one is the one I had to use for all the rest. The disc and blade one down there, that actually melted the end, and I'll show you how I had to repair that in another video. Never mind, at least I got some of it done before the fuel ran out. So, if you've enjoyed my chaotic misadventures, give me a thumbs up, hurrah! Perhaps you could even subscribe, or possibly leave a comment on what I've done wrong. In the meantime, I'll take these two strimmers back inside, tuck them away, and consider what I'm going to do for next week, which I think is going to be building some scaffolding and patching holes in the barn roof. Okay, bye for now.